Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 fatal error. Content file is corrupt and then it shows the directory path with verify integrity of game files. So if you're getting this error in the CS2 or Counter-Strike 2, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to close Steam from Task Manager and then restart it. So first of all, close Steam. Right click on system tray and then click on task manager. Now here look for Steam. Right click on it and select end task. You have to close each and every process of Steam, and after closing the Steam from task manager, relaunch Steam. So in Windows search type Steam and then open it. Just wait, and once your Steam open, go to library, then select Counter-Strike 2 and then click on play button and check if your problem is fixed or not. I hope this will fix the issue for you. If it doesn't work, then fix 2 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Counter-Strike 2 and then select properties, go to installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Please take a note, if it fails, if the verification of the game files fail, then you have to reinstall the CS2 game. So simply uninstall the game and then reinstall the CS2 game and check. If it's still not solved, then fix 3 is to set your RAM XMP back to its default frequency. Now you have to follow these steps accordingly. So enter the BIOS on your PC. So first of all, restart your PC and repeatedly press Del F2 or F12 depending on your motherboard during the startup. And once your PC enter the BIOS, then you have to locate the XMP settings. Find the memory configuration area, often labeled AI tweaker, OC or memory settings, and then disable either XMP, EXPO, DOCP. Change the extreme memory profile or XMP settings from enabled to disabled, or select a lower memory frequency. Then save and exit, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. Now fix 3 has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now if still your problem is not solved, then try running the SFC scannow command to check for any issue. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click as to allow, and in the command prompt type sfc/scannow and hit enter. Just wait, it will take some time, so please wait for the verification to get complete. And once the verification has been completed, then it will show the result. Now in my case, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation, but if in your case, if it shows any issues, then it will say how to repair it, and after repairing it, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall CS2 in different drive or change your PC RAM. So if all fails, then it could be a bad RAM or bad drive. So simply uninstall CS2 from your PC and then reinstall, and while reinstalling it, select the different drive such as external SSD drive or another SSD drive, and then try to launch the game and check. If that also fails, then it could be a bad RAM. So just change your RAM of your PC and then try to launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve fatal error, content file is corrupt, verify integrity of game files, error in Counter-Strike 2 or CS2. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.